I'm going to try out this brush here on my finicky cat. This brush is from Amuka. This one's a purple one, and it's pretty simple, so you can hang it from this little eyelet if you like. Just a one nice smooth handle, and you see the bristles there. They have a little end, little white end. The bristles are quite strong, and if you press this, this will remove all of the hair. So let's give it a shot on my finicky cat. Let's go. All right, Paul, what do you think? First time using this brush. She doesn't usually like to stand still when I brush her, but she's not running away, so she likes the feel of the bristles. She likes the massaging feel on her head here. She's not very matted, so usually she, like this is going nicely through her hair. She's been shaved a few months ago, so she doesn't have as long of the hair as she normally has. But I could see, usually on her tail and on her hind legs, that's usually where we get some roughness. And she actually allowed me to brush her there. And usually also on her chest, around her neck, she gets some mats there. So she's liking the brush. This is good. I think that's a win for the cat. And I could see that it's actually picking up some hair here. So again, she's just been brushed not too long ago, so not that much hair, but you can see how it does. And let's lift that. And see how easy it is to just pull that off. And that's not a lot of hair just for brushing her for like 30 seconds here. But you can see that your pet should like it, like my cat here. She didn't object to it. And it does the job. It does work. So I would recommend it. And I thank you to the brand for sending me this cat brush to give it a try. I'm sure it would work on your dog too, any animal that you want to give a try. These are sturdy enough, they are quite strong, and they don't scratch because they have that nice little end here.